been right hand drive. It's like a special order made to be manufactured in Canada factory, not made in America.
Say, so originally it was supposed to be a police car.
Yeah, it's like a patrol highway patrol car. Yeah.
Got you. Okay.
It's been called like a truck car. But like in Thai, they call it รถฉลาม ฉลาม it means truck, big like a truck.
Yes. A factory, same engine.
Yeah, six cylinder.
You do anything to it, or you leave it like this?
Leave it
stock?
like this. I bought
Okay.
it for like almost 20 years. Bought it for almost 20 years.
That's definitely nice, man. You don't see too many good examples, especially in clean, no rust. It's good. Nice to meet you, man. It's beautiful, man. Beautiful, man. As soon as you came in.
I think a lot of your car would be IS, right?
IS 250 in Japan. We never got supercharged. See? How long you have?
For ประมาณ3 ปี
3 or 4 years.
About 3 or 4 years? And supercharged.
Very unusual.
Yeah.
Like nobody in Thailand supercharged this car.
Why?
Only turbo.
Only turbo, yeah.
Thailand turbo only.
The only turbo only? Why?
That is very hard to find.
Here I don't think people like to do the mounting on the supercharger. Turbo is
It's
easier.
easier.
For mechanics.
Yeah. For maintenance.
I
Yeah.
have no knowledge about supercharge.
No?
No shop can do like most.
Not so
can.
many.
Oh, very minimal, like not too many shops. Okay. Yeah, that's another thing. Trying to find shops that actually want to do it, but
To be specialist.
yeah, it costs a lot for them. Yeah.